Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today, we're diving into the world of Google Ads optimization. In this video, we'll share some valuable tips and tricks to help you get the most out of your Google Ads campaigns. This tips and tricks I'm suggesting from my experience and can really help you making your Google Ads campaign successful. So, let's get started. Reduce overlapping. The first trick is to reduce overlapping in your campaigns. This means avoiding targeting the same audience in multiple campaigns. By refining your targeting and segmenting your audience effectively, you can maximize the reach of your campaigns without wasting ad spend. Add negative keywords. Another crucial optimization technique is adding negative keywords. Make it a habit to regularly check the search query report. Identify irrelevant or low-performing search queries and add them as negative keywords at the ad group and campaign levels. This helps refine your targeting and ensures your ads are shown to the most relevant audience. Relevancy in ad copy and landing page. Moving on to the next tip. Ensure your ad copy and landing pages are relevant and aligned. When users click on your ad, they expect a seamless experience. Make sure your ad copy reflects what's on the landing page, and the landing page provides the information or offer promised in the ad. This relevancy improves user experience and increases the likelihood of conversions. Give more data to Google. Now let's talk about giving more data to Google. The more information you provide, the better Google can understand your campaign and optimize it accordingly. Consolidate underperforming campaigns, allocate budget to those driving results, and let Google analyze and learn from the data you provide. This will lead to better campaign performance. Audience exclusion. Don't forget about audience exclusion. If you're running remarketing campaigns, exclude those remarketing audiences from your campaigns targeting new audiences, and vice versa. This prevents overlap and ensures your ads reach the intended audience for each campaign, improving efficiency and targeting accuracy. Define clear objectives. Last but not least, define clear objectives for your campaigns. Regularly monitor and adjust bids based on these objectives. Whether you're aiming to maximize conversions, increase your return on ad spend, or drive website traffic, having well-defined goals allows you to make data-driven decisions and optimize your campaigns accordingly. And there you have it. These are some powerful Google Ads optimization tricks to take your campaigns to the next level. Remember, optimization is an ongoing process, so continuously monitor, analyze, and refine your campaigns to achieve better results. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more digital marketing tips and tricks. See you next time.